Dating back to the late 1400s when Da Vinci first theorized about it, to the Wright brothers' first ever successful launch off Kitty Hawk in the 1900s, to modern day with jets traveling faster than the speed of sound. The history of flight is filled with decades worth of ingenious inventions and celebrated progress. Rewind slightly to the year 1991, and comes the introduction of an event that celebrates less than genius inventions and the reversion of decades worth of aviation evolution. Flugtag. In German, it means flying day. In English, it's a day for hundreds of amateur flight enthusiasts to spread their wings and try their hand at soaring through the sky in their very own homemade flying machines to win awesome prizes.
And that flying day is coming up real quick. The Red Bull Flugtag will be held in Miami next week, but today I am here in Tampa outside the apartment of one of the few teams representing Tampa in this year's competition. Now I'm told a lot of preparation and hard work goes into making one of these aircrafts fly. Let's go inside and check out what they've been working on.
Meet the team.
Ryan, Amir,
Andre,
David.
We're the Rad Boys!
And their flying machine. Well, it's still in pieces and needs a little bit of work, but these rad guys have a very noble vision for it, using it to promote breast cancer awareness.
Where did you find the inspiration for the design of your craft, and why promote breast cancer?
Well, we were trying to figure out, a way to make this something more than just an event. And we figured, let's do something, a cause for a cause. And right now, the top cause that everybody's working with is breast cancer.
Scoring is based on 3 specific criteria. The first, creativity. The Rad Boys seem to be off to a good start.
So now it's in pieces. We've seen it in pieces. What is the finished product going to look like?
It's going to be a big hang glider, about 10 feet across, 15 feet long. And I have a giant styrofoam woman holding on top of it. I'm going to fly off and push it off this pink cart over here. And it's like overcoming breast cancer.
Showmanship is the second criteria. Teams have 30 seconds to perform a short skit just before they take flight. This is what the Rad Boys have worked up. Meet the cancer fighters and their arch nemesis, breast cancer. And the last criteria, flight distance.
How far are you making it?
Oh, we're going to Cuba. It's from Miami. We're going to fly all the way to Cuba. I'll come back with some cigars. We'll have some fun.
And now it's off to Clearwater to meet the Sherwood Forest Boys and their flying machine.
A few quick looks at these guys and their craft, and you believe them when they say their inspiration came from the movie Men in Tights.
Let's face it, you gotta be a man to wear tights.
And they claim a little help from the big guy upstairs.
What inspired the design for your craft? You first.
We just love wearing tights. We love the movie so much, and we thought this is a chance for us to, find our true calling in life. And the craft design really, it just kind of came from inside of us, We prayed about it for a while, and it just kind of, in a vision, it just kind of showed up.
After a glimpse at their skit, there is no question divinity played a role here as well.
We're men in tights. We roam around the forest looking for fights. We're men in tights. We run from the rich and give to the poor, that's right.
This well-crafted machine will be judged on how far it actually flies with only the force of the team propelling it.
You're the pilot, so how far are you actually going to go?
Well, from the wing load calculations on this baby, it should go about 95 feet. Should go. Now, we were hoping to go further, but we decided to go with bamboo just as a design choice because we like the way it looks better than aluminum.
Bamboo is more in our budget because it's free.
So the next time you see the Sherwood Forest Boys or the Rad Boys, it will be at the Flugtag in Miami. And we'll find out just how many Red Bull it takes to give them wings.
Can use some exotic booze. There's a bar in far Bombay.